Hello, Winnie. Now, we had a great testimonial from you about TeloYouth, and today we have another miracle story about your husband.
Yes, I'm Winnie Mai. I am honored to testify on my husband, Jingen Mai, his behalf for the life-changing of TeloYouth. My husband lives in Florida, and he's 62 years old. He was being introduced about TeloYouth last late August. So he's got for almost 20 years a lot of a problem with the lung, inflammation, allergy. He's been taking very strong medicine to calm down the cuffiness for a long time. That caused a lot of different side effects for his health for a very long duration of time. Since he's been taking TeloYouth last September, he was taking CT scan. That at that time he had two mass, which is the scar tissue on each side of the lung, about 2.2 centimeter, which he had it for quite a while. That wasn't new to him. For I would say about 15 years he had that. And after 8 months after he's been taking TeloYouth for this May 2024, we were so pleased to find out that the masks were all clear.
Wow!
And I specifically asked my husband, from the time that you've been taking the late report, September 2023, that's 1 month after you've been taking TeloYouth until this year, May 2024. Were you being introduced with any new medicine other than the one you've been taking for these past 15 years to help you? He said none. So, and TeloYouth had helping. He's been currently taking 2 scoops 2 times each day. That 8 months of improvement to clear the mass out of his lung has changed his life, and I'm very, very grateful.
Wow, this is another amazing story. So he had this mass for about 15 years in his lung, and he only took wellness program.
Yes.
For after 8 months, all those mass is clear.
Yes.
The black image is gone.
Yes.
Wow, this is miracle.
He's so happy.
He's
and the whole family is very happy.
I'm sure you are so happy too.
Very, very happy. We went on cruise right after that.
Wow, this is great. TeloYouth is amazing.
It is amazing.
It's changing my life and my family's life.
Yes.
And all around the world.
Very much so. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing.